Hello everybody, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today I'm going to take you on an open house of a Wisteria, a very popular model here in the Villages. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bath, and it is wood framed. I hope you enjoy the tour. Thank you for joining, everyone. This is a very popular Wisteria model. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bath home. As we walk up, it does have a brick paver driveway. It is on a corner lot. As always, if you are interested in this home, please contact the listing agent for more information. This home does have a brick paver sidewalk and patio in front of the home. It does have mature landscaping. It is wood framed, and it seems to be in very good condition. Let's go in and take a look. Here we are standing in the foyer, and you can see the floors are laminate wood floors. And if you pan over to the right, you see the kitchen area. The kitchen does have laminate or formica countertops. It does have a double bowl sink. It does have natural gas stove. You can see it does have oak cabinets throughout. And it does have the laminate wood floors. Continuing through here. That is the door to the garage. That's an oversized 2-car garage. It's extra wide. There are a lot of things inside the garage, so I will not video inside the garage. But it is an extra large, extra wide 2-car garage. Here's the dining area, the refrigerator. As mentioned before, this is a Wisteria model. This is one of the more popular models in the Villages. It's a 3-bedroom and 2-bath. It has the split bedroom design where you have living quarters on one side of the house and the master bedroom on the other side. So next I will walk into the bedroom areas. You can see that the dining room area still has the laminate floor. The living room, very high ceilings in the living room. It does have the acoustic texture on the ceiling. Off to the left, you will see the guest area and the guest bathrooms. Let's take a walk in there. This is bedroom, I'm going to call this bedroom number 2. This is toward the back of the house. You can see it does have the laminate floors in here as well. It does have a sliding barn door that you can close off and have your guests have privacy. Here is your guest bathroom. It does have a specialized easy access tub. It does have a single bowl sink. It does have a window in the tub shower area. That does look like it's a fiberglass or plastic backsplash area. It does have a laminate floor. The laminate floors continue into the 3rd bedroom that is actually converted into an office. It does have a closet, so it can be considered a bedroom. Let's take a walk to the other side of the home where the master bedroom will be. Across the way is the master bedroom and laundry area. Just to give you a panoramic view. Standing here in the living area. Here is your laundry area. It does have cabinets, white cabinets. It does have a sink. It does have laminate floors. It does have a pocket door. It does have a closet. So this is going to be your master bedroom. It does have laminate floors. It does have a walk-in closet. Next, we will walk into the master bathroom. Here's their master bathroom. It does have oak cabinets. It does have a laminate floor. It does have 2 sinks. It does have Formica countertop. That is your shower. Let's take a look inside the shower. It does have ceramic tile in the shower. I think it is anyway. Yeah, that's ceramic tile. Let's take a walk into the closet in the master bedroom. Here's your walk-in closet in the master bedroom. It does have shelving units. It's a pretty good sized master closet. Panoramic view of the master bedroom. Next, we will walk into the lanai area. Nice high ceilings in the living room. This is the lanai. The lanai. It does have a textured cement floor. This is temperature controlled. It does have a mini split air conditioner. It does have built-in bookcases. It does have a bird cage out the lanai. Here's a screened-in bird cage. You have a barbecue grill out there. I did speak to the real estate agent. The furniture is not included in the price, but you can negotiate. Here's your backyard. It is on a corner lot. Very beautiful and mature landscaping. Nice big lot, corner lot. Here's your backyard. This would be your side yard. This is in the village of Winifred, which is a little bit south of Highway 466. It's a good location. I would say it's 7 to 10 minute golf cart ride to Sumter Landing. All right. And now we will exit the home. This house is in very good condition. We'll walk into the front yard. It does have a brick paver patio in the front. Very nice. Very mature landscaping. This is in a very quiet neighborhood. As always, if you are interested in this home, please contact the listing agent. And that is your listing agent. It does have a brick paver driveway. And is located on Shalimar Street. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed a tour of this 3-bedroom, 2-bath Wisteria model here in the village of Winifred. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you. Have a good day.